Cars like this brazen 1963 Cadillac Eldorado never go out of style. Pairing dramatic styling and fine comfort with 390 cubic inches of all-American power, this drop top is the quintessential Boulevard Baron. From the assembly line, this classic rolled as a true red-on-white Eldorado. However, in the early 1990s, the car was fully stripped and fully resprayed in pigment that's quite a bit more vivid than factory Matador red. Trim and ornamentation is all well-maintained original stuff, and a power-operated top looks infinitely more graceful than typical convertible vinyl. While this Cadillac has always sported a white interior, it hasn't always sported quality white leather from North Carolina's Jenkins Interiors. Clean hides decorate matching bench seats, the first of which is power-operated and both of which have been equipped with correct Cadillac lap belts. And a wood-trimmed dash centers Guidematic lamp control over an electronic clock, switches for factory cruise control, and upgraded factory air conditioning. A Cadillac engine of any displacement can be considered great power, and the 390 cubic inch mill in this Eldorado is smooth, reliable, and ready to roll. Behind that 390 is a smooth hydromatic 4-speed that deals torque to a tough factory axle that's finished with a limited slip differential. Looking for a cruise-worthy classic that's storied but still approachable? You found your city of gold. This Eldorado is an excellent choice for the enthusiast who wants a desirable car for good money that can actually be driven and enjoyed. For more information, call, click, or visit arkmotors.com.